Hi friends! My name is Lauren and I'm a librarian at the Cranford Public Library. Welcome to the final week of our We're Gonna Make It challenge. This is also week 1 of our grab and go craft kits. This week we're going to be designing our own hobby horses, or you can make a unicorn like I've done here. Let's get started! Your grab and go kit will come with a paper horse head like this and a gift wrap tube. Start by cutting 2 notches into the top of your paper tube. You're going to want to spend some time decorating your horse, or you can make it a unicorn. When you're ready, you can tuck the paper head right into the paper tube. With a little bit of imagination, you can turn this into this. You can decorate your project however you'd like. I happen to have a little bit of gold paint, so that's what I'm going to use today. Great, I'm going to give this a minute to dry, paint the other side, and then I'll meet you back here. I'd like for my unicorn to have a mouth, a nose, and an eye, so I'm going to use a little bit of pencil to sketch those out. Now that I know where everything goes, I'm going to trace my pencil with a little bit of marker. It's looking a lot more like a unicorn now. I want my unicorn to have a beautiful glittery mane, so I'm going to use a paintbrush to apply some Mod Podge. Once I'm done painting on the glue, I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of glitter on top, and that's going to stick right where I've painted my Mod Podge. Now it's time to shake off the excess glitter, and there we go, a beautiful glittery mane. You can pick up your very own hobby horse DIY grab and go kit in the library's lobby starting at 11 o'clock this morning. We hope you have a lot of fun creating. Bye!